Hi, I want to quickly show you how we can actually make Cypress smarter today, real quick. And then we will create some test cases in minutes, and then how we can actually test emails with Cypress. So here I will just open my Visual Studio real quick, and I will open a new folder that I actually created right before this video. And I will open this, and it's actually empty right now. So what I'm going to do, I'll open my terminal and I will just say npm init. So we're just going to init the npm. I'll just hit enter, and now we have npm init. So quickly we will just say npm install Cypress here. Okay, we got the Cypress, so I will actually use Node version 18 because Cypress doesn't work in the previous versions. So, and then right after this, I can actually open the Cypress right now. This will take a while, and then I'll cut the video and see you in soon. Okay, we open the Cypress. Now we see, two things. I'll just click on end-to-end testing real quick here. We'll continue. And then when we actually first do this, Cypress is actually going to create some folders in our project. Okay, so here we'll just scaffold some example specs here, and then that will just add some examples here, and then they will actually get here real quick. So it gets just too crowded here, so I'll just remove one of that to the trash. We'll just we'll just use this file. So there's actually a test file here which does some things, but we will actually remove everything here as well. So what we're going to do here is we want to create a Cypress code real quick, and for that we actually have a Cypress recorder which actually can adapt to the changes. So I want to quickly show you how it will actually work. So we have an extension. It will record your actions, and you will type your password. So here we will generate the code. We can also generate the page object model. I will talk in a different video. But when the button actually changes, let's say the ID changes, so it's not submit anymore, it will actually change it to actually the correct ID. So let's see how we can actually do that with Cypress. So here we will just go to your web application. If I'm signed in, I'll just sign out real quick. We will just record a test on sign up. So after opening my Chrome extension on Cypress Recorder, I'll just click on start the test, and then we will start recording as you would do in Cypress Studio, but it doesn't capable of testing emails. So that's what we want to do here. After clicking there, we will actually take the screenshot as well. We'll make sure we'll do some computer vision automatically. So here I will just enter my first name. So Preflight understands that automatically that you're trying to fill out the first name. Would you like to randomize it? I will just click here to randomize this. I'll do the same thing for last name. I'll do the same thing for email address. This is actually it becomes a variable quickly. So to set this up, it would actually take a little bit of time. So here we'll just enter a password here, and we'll hit sign up. If you use the email address that comes with Preflight, so you will actually be able to test the emails that your web application actually sends it to. If I click here and open the email, we'll see the email right on the page. As you can see, the recorder is capable of recording this as well. So we get to see the video email here. I'll just click here to verify my email. I'll close this. as you can see, email verified. I would like to actually create a assertion on email verified successfully, and then that will be my test. I'll hit confirm, and we'll call this sign up. When we create the test, it will actually generate us a Cypress code. I'll just copy it to clipboard and open Visual Studio and then paste it right here. We have the test here, and what we want to do, we actually want to do some multiple things. So right now we need to set up the environment for Preflight package. So here we'll just install a package, npm package here for Preflight to actually open the emails, and also it can adapt to the changes as well. So we will see it real quick here. So I'll install this application plugin. So after this, I will go to the my account on Preflight, and I will generate a API key real quick. Account settings. We'll go to API, and then we'll just generate Cypress 10. When we create this, we'll actually get the plugin API key. We'll get this one in a second. So it looks like it's actually installed here. So for the plugins, as you know, you might actually want to add this to your end-to-end.js under Cypress, under Sport. You just need to add some plugins here. So that's what we're going to do here. And then also on our test case, we want to actually insert our API key real quick. You can also do that in Cypress JSON file as well, but I'm just going to do it here. It's much easier this way. I'll get my code, paste it here, done. So when I actually save this, I can actually run this test on Chrome. So when we run this, obviously we will actually sign up, and then we will enter, we'll randomize some first name, last name, email, and then get the email, open the email, make sure we actually successfully verified our account. So that's what we're going to do on this test. Logged in, let's just log out here. So we will randomize first name, last name. As you can see, it's a different name now. It's a different email at the moment. So we will wait for emails to show up. As you can see, Cypress is actually checking the email. Preflight is checking the email in Cypress. And then we will make sure email verified successfully here. But what happens if a selector changes? Let's assume that. Let's just, let's say this is actually broken. The first name input. If I save this and open it again, so we'll see that Preflight won't be able to find the selector with broken ID, and it will tell us I can't do it. I can't find the element right here. We'll just say in a second. Yeah, I couldn't find the element with broken. I'm trying to. Okay, I was actually looking for first name input in form sign up. As you can see, it's right here. So that's what actually happened here. And it was able to successfully run the test with a broken ID, and then it actually fixed that one. As you can see, it actually created a new file called _fixed. We actually have the fixed selector right here. If I actually copy this and I paste it right here, now it is actually fixed to the correct selector right here. So this is how quickly you can actually create a smart test. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions.